Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ClickUp to run your LinkedIn content sprint step by step clearly. Open ClickUp and log in to your account. Create a new space for your LinkedIn content sprint. Name the space something relevant, like LinkedIn content sprint. Add a folder within the space for your content ideas. Label the folder Content Ideas. Create a new list within the folder for LinkedIn posts. Title the list LinkedIn posts. Next, add tasks for each content idea you have. In each task, write a brief description of the content. Set due dates for each task to keep your sprint on track. Assign team members to tasks if you're collaborating. Now, go to the Views section to customize how you see your tasks. Choose Board View to visualize your content pipeline. Create custom statuses such as Idea, In Progress, and Published. Use the Comments section in each task for team feedback. Attach any necessary files or resources directly to the task. Set reminders to keep your team updated on deadlines. Integrate your Google Calendar to sync important dates. Utilize the Goal feature to track your overall sprint objectives. Once your tasks are populated, prioritize them based on deadlines or importance. Monitor your progress using the dashboard view for a quick overview. Regularly update task statuses as you move through the sprint. Encourage team collaboration by scheduling check-ins using ClickUp's calendar. Review and analyze the performance of published content at the end of the sprint. Make necessary adjustments for future sprints based on what you've learned. Follow these steps to efficiently manage your LinkedIn content sprint in ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.